my name is Maria and I am 13 years old. Today I am thrilled to share my journey with all of you today. Recently, about 25 days ago, I have joined Soman's workout and it has been an incredible experience for me. So, as many of you know that Soman's workout have launched a new initiative known as the Jago India Jago Fitness Camp that aims to promote wellness and fitness globally. So, I want to grab the opportunity to spread awareness about fitness, especially for the young Indians who are struggling with child obesity and issues related to height or other health concerns. Personally, I have been struggling with child obesity and issues related to height. I have felt self conscious about my weight and height, but I have started to see some positive changes after I joined Some's workout through some regular exercises and guidance from the guiders. I have been working towards a more healthier and confident me. Through Some's workout and Jago India Jago Fitness Camp, I urge all the young Indians out there who are facing or struggling problems related to child obesity and height. Come and join Somit's workout and be a part of Jago India Jago Fitness Camp. Let's be fit together. Thank you.